First, go to partner.aram.co. If new EPC needs to be on board, click on Sign Up and enter the mobile number and OTP. Now, enter your details: name, company name and email ID. Congratulations! You are successfully on board. In the dashboard, at the top, you can apply for customer loans, design support, supply chain finance and plant monitoring. In the middle, you will get an overview number of all the customer loans, supply chain finance leads and design leads an EPC has applied for. Below that you can see total number of plants on board, along with the status of the plants such as healthy, error, offline and caution. And at the last is the knowledge center where you can gain knowledge of latest technologies and trends in the solar industry. On the left side, you'll see all of our services such as customer loans, supply chain finance, design support, remote monitoring, and knowledge center. Now, let's dive deep into customer loans. Here, you'll be able to view the list of all your customers who have applied for solar loans. Click on Apply Loan button on the top right corner to add a customer and submit their details. To view in detail, click on any of the customer. Here, on the top, you'll see all the details of your customers such as customer type, name, mobile number, loan status, etc. At the bottom, you can upload all the documents of your customers such as electricity bill, site pictures and signed proposal. On the right, you can see at what stage your customer loan is at, such as underwriting, sanctioned, agreement signed, etc. Now, let's go to supply chain finance. To apply for supply chain financing, click on Enquire Now, enter all the necessary details, upload document and click on Submit. Now, let's go to design support. To add a design request, click on Request and select the type of design such as layout preparation, PVSYST report, structure fabrication drawing, SLD preparation, structure analysis and enter the rest of the details. You will receive your design within 24 hours. Now, let's move to much awaited remote monitoring. Here in the dashboard, you'll be able to see your total number of plants on board, energy generated, lifetime energy generated, etc. If you want to add another plant, just click on Add Plant and fill out all the details. Your plant will be added to the dashboard successfully. If you click on any of the plant, you will be diverted to a separate portal to monitor your solar plants. On the left, you can see all the plants you have added with their status such as healthy, warning and error. On the right, you can get a dashboard with detailed overview of your plants such as plant capacity, energy trends, inverters, events, etc. If you want to add another plant, click on Add Plant on the right and fill out all the details. Your plant will be added successfully. Now, let's go to Sunstore Marketplace. Here, you can purchase multiple equipments for your solar plants such as solar panels, inverters, batteries, cables, etc. from well-known manufacturers. To get a quote, click on Add to Enquiry. Then click on My Enquiry. Click Next. Enter your PIN code and submit. Your enquiry will be successfully created.